Hello friend, welcome back to my channel, My English Journey. I hope you are doing well and learning English great. Friends, now I have one friend. Welcome back to my channel, and his name is Manthan, and she is very curious about uh, adding this journey. So, uh, one more thing, if you improve your communication, what take first step? It means just related the confidence. What do you think about
Yeah,
the confidence?
yeah, of course, bro.
Speak. No,
Of course, we
don't
have.
care about the people.
Yeah, also, I don't care who is what thing.
Hmm.
कौन मेरे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं.
Yeah, people are people what think about me.
Yeah, I don't care about that.
Yeah.
Who thinks about what about everybody who thinks.
Huh?
everybody उसको कौन मेरे बारे
People
में क्या
what
सोचता
think
है.
about me, I don't care.
Okay.
Okay. And then you can grow and you improve your communication.
Yeah,
Friends, in the surrounding me, you can watch. There are many people are available, and I can speak
yeah, definitely.
very fluently in this place. And you know, whenever you try to speak and uh, take fluency, you need confidence.
हमको
Confidence
यार
means बोले
थोड़ा
तो
yeah थोड़ा बहुत.
uh, when you start, you have a lack of confidence and you don't speak front of people. That is very bad things. And I also in a starting time I think about like this, but in this time I have good confidence and I can speak front of every person. And also we talking about confidence. Friends, in the confidence, uh, we are speak front of people and public speaking. Also, we can add who person speak on the stage, and they have need more confidence, and they also it is a most important in that time people how to manage to their self. And in the beginning time, uh, I also when I go front of teacher and class front of class, and if I talk about any topics, that time I feel hesitation. But during some days, sometimes it is removed from you, and धीरे धीरे you can start, and after some time you totally speak very good.
Yeah, that's absolutely a great thing,
Yeah.
Vikas, bro. You
And
are starting a very good initiative to us
yeah.
because it also helped me to improve myself.
So
Because actually, I have also so many hesitation for
right now,
right now.
why?
Some
Because
people are
there are
some
available
you
many
know one thing
people and
I
all are
see.
look at on you,
Yeah, I see.
and you
Some
yeah.
persons are laugh on us,
Yeah,
but
but you know which is your friend who are know about you. You are Manthan, and maybe you comes from their same hostel,
yeah,
so they are laughing on you. But if you care about this thing, you never build your confidence,
yeah,
right?
that's absolutely a great thing, Vikas, bro.
So, and I already mentioned many times how if you care about people what think and people what say about you, you never succeed in your life. And you know, in a student lives, if you think people are what say about me, and I am making many mistake, and I speak wrong, I mistake in this video, so never I succeed. So I think, according to me, you don't care about this, and you start and continue work on your goal. If you want to achieve your goal, you most need you have if you have a consistency, and with consistency, if you have a clarity, then you will succeed in your life. So uh,
Yeah, of course, bro. You told us a very good thing, clarity. So
yeah.
I want to tell you something about clarity. Firstly, we have to clear about this, what we have to do in our life. We
Yeah.
have to get we have some clarity in our life. So
It means related your goal. What
yeah,
is your goal and how to achieve your goal?
yeah, of course. When we have a clarity about what we have to do, then we are doing something forward that doing something forward in our goal.
Yeah.
So we have to clarity about what we have to do. After that, when we get clarity about we have to do, we are focusing in that direction.
Direct.
So in this time, we have clarity about we are not good in communication. That's why we are uh, do, doing some
Practice.
taking some initiative
Yeah.
in taking some
Don't
initiative.
feel fearness.
Yeah, bro.
Continue,
Of
continue.
course,
I know
uh,
you have a more word, but right now, for
that's why.
hesitation, you are not using good words.
Yeah, of course, bro. That's why we are taking this type of initiative for improve ourselves.
Okay. And after that,
We already making.
so now I am starting because you are feeling hesitate. If you have a clarity, it means about your goal, how to work and how to you want to achieve your goals, and you divide your day by day work, and then you work on it. That is very good, and good way you can achieve your goals. So uh, I am when I also starting. I have not good clarity and I not speak front of people. So it means बोले तो in a starting time we are facing many things and many challenges. And right now we are speaking in front of all people, and that is very good because in a starting time I did not able to speak front of people.
Of course, guys. Today is my first day. I'm getting scared about what people thinks about
Yeah,
me, and in this time, I'm getting silent when some people are coming in front of me,
yeah.
and then my Vikas bro is getting initiative to.
And I am showing you one or blogger. His name is Shivam, and just come here. And he is also YouTuber. And
The guys,
uh,
one girl
if you
from my section, she is laughing
she
from
come
me. She is laughing on me, but I'm also getting laugh.
and it is forget some points. I am continue this thing. Just see my friends. One name is Arshad. I mean two people. He is from my class, and I am showing you. He is my warden sir, and
Hi guys.
and he comes my class, and his name is Arshad, and he also comes my same district. So if you have one line, you can suggest my audience.
भाई को वीडियो को लाइक सपोर्ट करो.
So thank you for giving your feedback, and now I am continue. So bye. And there are many girls, and I show you that many girls are go in the hostel, and my friends are laughing. I don't know why he's laughing, but
Because of his language, because of his choosing word.
No, all
why.
words is very good and you can use in that things because
Can we go in our institute side?
okay, because you
Guys,
want
we
you
are going.
want you want to leave this thing
Yeah,
and
I
you have
I
more,
want to
you give
I
more
want to
point
live,
on this.
I want to live from crowd. That's why I'm telling you, please.
Okay.
Can we go in the side of our institute, guys? We are going to. We are coming in our institute side. So
And
you can see that's
I
our
am
institute.
showing it is my department, that is management, and
We love so much
here
in
I
our
have
department.
three stream studying. First one is MBA, second one is BCom, and third one is BBA. And we are from BBA, and we are study every day in this
Guys, you can
department.
see one girl from our class is laughing on us.
But you know,
I don't know why
my
when some
many three or four girls are from my section, and I see them, but I never laughing
but
on
I
them.
don't know why when someone is laughing on me.
Because it is
I'm getting
your
very scared and
it
I'm
is
also
your first day, and
I'm
so
also get laughed.
that's why you are scared. No problem. In starting time, you all people are scared, and I think we move this thing, this place, because there are surrounding this sound is very create on nonsense. So now we are coming on the road. There are more crowd,
Guys,
and
two girls coming back from us. And
it means bole
when
to
see us,
when see uh,
when they see us,
yeah,
they are also
see
getting,
our face, and
they,
we
no,
are
no, they are also
scared.
getting to make a video themselves.
Oh, our
No, no, themselves.
oh right. And now I am closing, and
No, no, we are not closing. We have to go.
mess.
Yeah, of course,
Yes.
we have to go
Right.
in a maze.
Okay. And also practice. If you want to practice every day, you focus on your work. And you know, if you every day practice, it means you work on your goals and practice every day. Yeah, yeah. He said बर्बाद होने का एक ही जरिया है. But you know, it is a very successful mantra for the success in our life. So I never think like this. I am not succeed, and I am not speak front of people. And I know in starting times, I know in starting time, scared. And how are you?
He's a
Bro?
very good friend. Actually, friend, I also want include one thing.
Yeah.
So when we are starting one minute. When we are starting any new journey, some are motivated to you, and some
And
are,
every person.
and some are getting demotivated to you. Don't do this. It's a bad thing.
And now it is not so a good quality of video, because I think it is now
But we have to not uh, leave the trying. We have
right.
to try.
Our goal is go on front of mess, and then we are closing this video. Thank you for your feedback. And one girls, please subscribe and motivate us. And
Actually, bro, I'm also
so I
getting very happy
very
today.
thankful for her, and I want my goal is not only communication, also my uh, subscriber and viewers, and also uh, likes. So I don't care about what people are say about me. Just you every
But
day.
your beard, but your,
Later we
but
had.
your beard is not sitting properly.
I know.
Actually, you can
I know.
see.